Hey everybody, it's Mike Frieder. I'm back here with On-Call Compliance Solutions and another compliance tip of the week. Today we're talking about NIST SP 800-171 Control 3.7.6. Supervise the maintenance activities of maintenance personnel without required access authorization. So when we start unpacking this control, it's a little bit interesting because it says specifically personnel without required access authorization. What does this mean? Let's say that our secure facility has a problem with the HVAC system, right? Air conditioning's out for the day. So HVAC company shows up. Our job is we have to supervise those maintenance activities that those people are doing because they have not been trained in the handling of CUI, yet they're going to be around it the whole time. So again, that's really a lot of what this is about, is making sure that you understand you've got to be supervising these maintenance activities. Now, if you're a manufacturer, right, maybe you're doing tooling, it is really, really common that you have maintenance people in and out to service your large format machines, right? Your mills, your lathes, all that kind of stuff. It's not unusual to have maintenance people in and out all day long. Maybe they're refilling the tool vending machines. I mean, all over the place, right? The point here is you've got to supervise those people. Now, you can give them those access authorizations, but then you've got to train them. And if it's a different person that shows up every day, that's basically impossible. So a lot to consider here, a lot to uncover. But if I was giving a sample answer, I'd say, hey, look, this is implemented. All maintenance activities are supervised by the facilities department. In other words, we've got an escort walking around with them all the time, or IT department whenever the person performing that maintenance does not have those required access authorizations granted. So again, fairly simple answer, but you need to be prepared to explain who exactly is going to be over this and who is going to be managing this, and also who is responsible for those authorizations as well. So hey, if you're trying to get compliant with DFARS, NIST SP 800-171, or CMMC on your own and looking for help, or if you're just a defense contractor and you're looking for better ways to be able to operate the business and make sure you're compliant, our compliance experts are always on call for you. Visit NIST800-171compliance.com or check out the bio below for the links that'll make your life easy. There you can find more information about how we can help. Self-schedule time at your convenience with one of our compliance experts through any form on the website, or learn more about our completely done-for-you services that can have you on your way to being compliant in just 2 to 3 days. It's really that simple. If you love the content we're putting out here for you, help us out with a big thumbs up on that like button. It's right down here below. Maybe it's over here. Maybe it's over here. Maybe it's over here. Or even better, smash that subscribe button. Get some of that frustration about having to be compliant right out on our subscribe button. Just go ahead, smash it right now. Hit it hard to get the latest compliance content as soon as our compliance nerds roll it out. It's a great way to stay prepared for that upcoming CMMC certification, and everybody's going to have to eventually go through it anyway. Until the next compliance tip, my friends, stay safe and secure out there, and hit us in the comments below and let us know what you'd like to know more about when it comes to information security and compliance. I'll see you on the next one.